My name is not News, and I don't know why I started like that. Anyway, hello, TheHirsty UK here, and I thought I'd make a quick tutorial on how to make a sound effector, which you can click the annotation on the screen now to go and see either one of two examples that I have on my channel. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is obviously start up a Cinema 4D file. Click on render settings and just change the format to AVI. General, make sure it's on full render. Output, change it to 1280 by 720. And if you go into options and change this to 6 and that to 2, that speeds up the render time. Right, now you're going to want to add either a cube or a cylinder, you know, whatever floats your boat. I'm going to use a cube, and then you can resize it just simply like that. Resize it to however you want. I think I'm going to be good with that. Right. And then add a circle, and then on the plane here at the bottom you're going to want to click on the drop down menu, change it to XZ so that it lays flat, and then you're going to want to click on this little thing. No, you're not. You're going to want to click on MoGraph, Effector, and click on Spline, and then click on Spline, click on Effector, and then drag the circle into here where it says Spline. Okay, now you're going to want to click on MoGraph, Cloner, and drag Cube so that it's underneath Cloner. Then click on Cloner again, click on Effectors, and drag and drop Spline into there. And now if you click on Cloner again and click on Object, you can see that there's 3 here. And you can see here that it says count 3. And then you can change however many you want. I would recommend around 20 for normal, but I'm going to experiment and do 50. Just because I think it'll be interesting. Right, and now we're going to want to click on MoGraph Effector Sound. And now you need a sound file. I've prepared a song here, so but the song needs to be in WAV file, and it needs to be either 8-bit or 16-bit, otherwise it won't work. If you want to do that, download Audacity, link is in the description. And just, it's quite simple. I'm sure that you can find a tutorial somewhere on how to convert it. Click on sound effector, click on where it says sound file, little dots here, click on that, and then load up your WAV file. Right, and now click on Cloner again and go into Effectors and drag sound into there. And then if we click play, you can see that they're moving up and down. Oh yeah, and you're going to want to change 90 frames to about 1000 frames, because there's a lot of, you'll need a lot of, depending on the length of your song. And then as you can see, they're all moving up and down together, but you don't want that. So go on to sound, on Effector where it says apply mode, change it to step, and then as you can see there, they all move individually. Now obviously the less cubes that you have, the more each one is individually affected. Like if you put loads there, that just looks homosexual. So I'm going to turn it down to about 30, 28, that'll do me. Now if you want to listen to the sound, click on that little speaker thing down there, but there's no point in me listening to it because I'm not going to have my sound running through this tutorial. Now what you can do here is go into parameter, click off position because you don't want that, you want to click on scale, and then where it says Y, change that to however much you want. You know, I'd recommend around 1-ish to 1.25. Oh yeah, now's a good time to add in a floor maybe, just to, and we'll just add in a texture here. Let's make it a nice little greeny colour. so that we can see it from the floor. There we go. Yeah, looks right now. I don't think that they're being affected enough, so I'm going to click on sound and change this to about 2. So now you can see they're moving a lot more. Yep. And also, if you want, I saw this on a tutorial somewhere, but I don't like it. If you want, you can click on mobile effector and then delay, and then on the clone tool drag that in there, and they kind of move more smoothly, but I don't like it. That's the tutorial I followed, and the guy recommended doing that, but I don't like it. I prefer it without. So yeah, that is it pretty much, how to do that. I'm not going to go into detail about adding any text. If you want, just adding a more text or something, it's not really hard. Just putting some text in the middle, Put TheHirsty UK in there. So yeah, that's it for the sound effect tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, and I'm going to be bringing more like it. If you don't like it, leave a troll comment, give me something to read. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will hopefully see you in the next tutorial.